How to get Band 8 in Ielts reading. Vocabulary is the key.
Welcome to Ielts sharing community.
In this video, I am gonna show you vocabulary you must know in Ielts Cambridge Reading, Test Book 8. Test 2.
Reading Passage 1, Sheet Glass Manufacture, the Float Process.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more lessons.
One. Harden.
To become or make something become firm, stiff or solid. Example, glass will harden when slowly cooled.
2. Stay.
To continue to be in a particular state or situation. Synonym, remain, related to question 2, glass remain unblemished.
3. Unblemished.
Not spoiled, damaged or marked in any way. Synonym, not flawed, intact, undamaged.
4. This method was very effective equals advantage. 5. However.
Used to introduce a statement that contrasts with something that has just been said. Disadvantage, related question 3. 6. Taking a long time equals slow.
7. Intensive.
Involving a lot of work or activity done in a short time. X. The process took a long time and was labor-intensive. Question 3.
8. Virtually any.
Equals varying. Question 4. Could produce glass sheets of varying thickness.
9. Pour.
To make a liquid or other substance flow from a container in a continuous stream. Synonym, be or make flowing.
10. Transport.
Synonym, movement, transfer.
11. Today.
Equals now, related to question 12, the process invented by Pilkington has now been improved.
12. Flaw.
Equals fault, related to question 13, computers are better than humans at detecting faults in class.
13. Detect.
Detect something to discover or notice something, especially something that is not easy to see, hear, etc. related to locating in the last paragraph.
14. Unaided.
Without help from anyone or anything. X. Technology can locate flaws that unaided eye would be unable to see.
15. Instant.
Happening immediately. Synonym, immediate, urgent, related to question 11, Pilkington's first full-scale plant was an instant commercial success.
16. Melt.
To become or make something become a liquid as a result of heating. Synonym, liquefy, dissolve. X. Her trusting smile melted his heart.
17. Roller.
A piece of wood, metal or plastic, shaped like a tube, that rolls over and is used in machines, for example to make something flat, or to move something.
(18) Tinted.
Having a small amount of color added. X. Tinted glasses.
(19) Coated.
Thickly covered X. Coated glasses.
20. Polish.
Rubbing a surface to make it smooth and shiny. X. You'll need to give your shoes a good polish.
Tips for true, false, not given question.
If the text agrees with or confirms the information in the statement, the answer is true. If the text contradicts or is the opposite to the information in the statement, the answer is false. If there is no information or it is impossible to know, the answer is not given.
Question 9. The metal used in the float process had to have specific properties. It's true because
in the third paragraph, it's mentioned that metal had to melt at a temperature less than 600 oC, but could not boil at a temperature below 1500 oC. Having specific properties.
Question 10. Pilkington invested some of his own money in his float plant. It's not given because
in the fourth paragraph, Pilkington built a pilot plant. It just mentioned that he convinced his company to build a full-scale plant, not his own money.
Question 11. Pilkington's first full-scale plant was an instant commercial success. It's false because
it took him 14 months to success, not instant.
Question 12. The process invented by Pilkington has now been improved. It's true because
today equals now it adds 0 to a continuous melting process equals the process has been improved.
Question 13. Computers are better than humans at detecting faults in glass. It's as true because
computer can locate, equals detect, flaws, equals faults, that unaided eye would unable to see.
You should take note and learn by heart all these vocabulary.
If you have any question, don't hesitate to let us know. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more.
Thank you for your watching.